Oh, what's up, you guys? Welcome back into another banger as you're here back into the channel. And today we're playing Roblox. And we guess what we got today, you guys? We actually got. Where's my hive? Right here. So we got the vicious bee all the way on top, and the spicy bee. Here it is, a spicy bee. I just got it today, like 1 hour ago. And the vicious bee. Where's the vicious bee? Right here. Vicious bee level 10. And I'm thinking of going up the what's it called? Spicy bee? Because vicious bee's already level 10. So I'm gonna focus a bit on spicy bee. So I'm gonna go buy some. Wait. What do I have over here? Wait, I was gonna check something. Oh no, yeah, I'm gonna buy some cheats for sure. Okay, here we go. How many cheats should we buy? I can't afford that. 1,000. No, I'm not actually gonna do that. What should I do? My stump snail. Yeah, let's go work on it. With the vicious bee, with the spicy bee, this morning the stump snail was at 20 million health. 25 million health. And look at it right now. 15 million health. It's been like 3 hours and it's just been AFK right here grinding. And yes, vicious bee, come on. We're all full. Spicy bee, where you at? This is actually pretty helpful, you guys. I recommend getting the vicious bee, and if you can, get mythic game, try to get the spicy bee because the spicy bee is so helpful, you guys. So I'm just gonna stay here a bit. Let's see if I can get it down to 14 million before my class starts because I'm doing this between breaks. I'm just gonna be AFK grinding a bit, and yes, if you guys want to see some bee swarm tips videos, just subscribe and I'll bring some. I already know a bunch of tips that are really helpful, you guys. I actually used one right now, like at the stump field when I got here. Whoever noticed, drop a like. Okay, you guys. It is currently 15 million health right now. Let's see if it can get to 14 million health. If it does, before this episode ends, I'm gonna be so surprised. Maybe I could kill it today. We don't know. But if we are, I'm gonna make another video part 2. And yeah. If I don't kill it today, I'm gonna kill it tomorrow. So stay tuned. Whew. These things are pretty helpful, not gonna lie. Okay, guys. System, let's go, boys. Let's see, what else can we do? What type of content do you guys like? Do you guys like real life content or gaming content? Just drop a like and or subscribe. Stay tuned because I'll be uploading more often. So yeah. Spicy bee, 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 spicy bee. Spicy bee, oh spicy bee, oh spicy bee. What's a little bee? Bee, B-E-E. I've reached 1 billion, I mean. But I wasted it on treats, so I could level up my vicious bee. Okay. Dude, where's my freaking vicious bee? Where's my vicious bee? Dude, I haven't seen his power up. Have you guys? Where's my vicious bee? Oh, it froze a bit. Come on. It's night time. Let's go look for a vicious bee so we can fight him. Hopefully it's at Pepper Patch because I really want to battle one at Pepper Patch. Let's go check. I think someone else is also looking for it. Because I just heard the cannon. Nope, it's not up here. If not, I'm gonna go ahead and see it. Nope, not a mountaintop. And cactus field. No rose field. No. Am I freaking blind? Nope, not at Sparta field. Not at Cloverfield. I'm just gonna go with my king bee right now. Come on, Victus Bee, it's your time to shine. Is my spicy bee here? If he is, he will be down in no time. No, let's go. Now that we have food. Okay, 10 seconds, 2 million, not that bad. Ooh. How many tickets do I have? 123 tickets. Am I seeing this right now? I've never reached that far because I always wasted them on converters like this type. Wait, I'm gonna go check if Black Bear spawned. He hasn't spawned today, so. Oh nope, 30 minutes. Right after class. Wait, what time is it? Okay, so we have a couple time. We have like 15 more minutes. How much have I gotten today. I haven't grind. Yep, 77. It's okay. I haven't grind. I'm just focused on Stumpstone today. Since I got the Mythic B. And this video is not well, I wouldn't say insane, but at the same time I don't, like, yeah, because I didn't record like me getting the Mythic B, because I just like freaking gave it to him, freaking diamond to the portal hive, to hive. I just gave diamond egg. It wasn't a mythic egg, it was a diamond egg. I gave it to my hive, and I just spawned it randomly. I didn't thought it was gonna actually spawn, so I didn't record that, and that's why I don't wanna like call it insane. Oh, this should be spicy. Let's go. Both power-ups. What the spicy bee power-up does is spawns 2 more bees, and it helps you with 2 times the attack, more red pollen, and more move player speed. Player speed, yeah. It's a bit laggy. Okay, well, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, make sure to drop a like button, subscribe, stay tuned for more content, and see you later, alligator. Peace.